Hello all, welcome to the day 49 of the daily case study series for CBSE grade 12. The question goes like this. Three shopkeepers, Sanjeev, Rohit and Deepak are using polythene bags, handmade bags and newspaper bags as carry bags. It is found that the shopkeepers Sanjeev, Rohit and Deepak are using 20, 30, 40, 30, 40, 20 and 40, 20, 30 polythene bags, handmade bags, and newspaper bags, respectively. The shopkeepers Sanjeev, Rohit, and Deepak spent rupees 250, rupees 270, and rupees 200 on these carry bags, respectively. Based on the above information, solve the following questions. Question 1. Find the cost of one polythene bag, one handmade bag, and one newspaper bag. Let the cost of one polythene bag be X, one handmade bag equal to Y, and one newspaper bag equal to Z. Based on the usage, we can write the equations for each. For Sanjeev, it is 20x plus 30y plus 40z is equal to 250. For Rohit, the equation is 30x plus 40y plus 20z is equal to 270. For Deepak, the equation is 40x plus 20y plus 30z is equal to 200. These equations can be reduced. Dividing the first equation by 10, we get 2x plus 3y plus 4z is equal to 25. Again, dividing the second equation by 10, we get 3x plus 4y plus 2z is equal to 27. Dividing the third equation also by 10, we get 4x plus 2y plus 3z is equal to 20. Now these equations can be written in the form of Ax equal to B, where A is 2, 3, 4 in the first row, 3, 4, 2 in the second row, 4, 2, 3 in the third row. And the matrix X is X, Y, Z. That is the cost of each bag, which is equal to B matrix is 25, 27 and 20. So let's figure out determinant value for A to find out if A inverse exists or not. Determinant A is equal to 2 times 12 minus 4 minus 3 times 9 minus 8 plus 4 times 6 minus 16, which is 2 times 8 minus 3 times 1 plus 4 times minus 10. 16 minus 3 minus 40, which gives us minus 27. Since determinant value of A is not equal to 0, A inverse exists. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A times adjoint matrix of A. So to get the adjoint matrix, let's get the minor, its cofactor and its transpose. M11 is equal to 12 minus 4, which is 8. M12 is 9 minus 8, which is 1. M13 is 6 minus 16, which is minus 10. M21 is equal to 9 minus 8, which is equal to 1. M22 is 6 minus 16, which is equal to minus 10. M23 is 4 minus 12, which is minus 8. M31 is 6 minus 16, which is minus 10. M32 is 4 minus 12, which is minus 8. M33 is 8 minus 9, which is minus 1. A11 is minus 1 to the power 1 plus 1 times M11. So it is 8. A12 is equal to minus 1. A13 is equal to minus 10. A21 is minus 1. A22 is minus 10. A23 is 8. A31 is minus 10. A32 is 8. A33 is minus 1. Adjoint matrix of A is the transpose of 8 minus 1 minus 10 minus 1 minus 10 8 minus 10 8 minus 1, which is equal to 8 minus 1 minus 10 in the first row, minus 1 minus 10 8 in the second row, minus 10 8 minus 1 in the third row. A inverse is equal to 1 by determinant of A is minus 27 times 8 minus 1 minus 10 minus 1 minus 10 8 minus 10 8 and minus 1. X is equal to A inverse times B. A inverse is minus 1 by 27 times 8 minus 1 minus 10 minus 1 minus 10 8 and minus 10 8 minus 1 times B is 25 27 and 20. On multiplying this we get minus 1 by 27 times 200 minus 27 minus 200 minus 25 minus 270 plus 160 minus 250 plus 216 minus 20, which is equal to minus 1 by 27 times minus 27 minus 135 minus 54, which is equal to 1, 5 and 2. YZ is equal to 152, which means X is equal to 1, Y is equal to 5, Z is equal to 2. That is, cost of one polythene bag is equal to rupee 1. Cost of one handmade bag is equal to rupees 5, and cost of one newspaper bag is equal to rupees 2. Question 2. From the matrix equation AB is equal to AC, it can be concluded that B is equal to C, showing that A is non-singular. Given equation is AB is equal to AC. Multiplying A inverse on both sides, we get A inverse AB is equal to A inverse AC. A inverse A gives identity matrix. So I times B is equal to I times C. I times B gives B itself, and I times C gives C itself. Since A inverse exists only if A is non-singular, for B to be equal to C, A should be non-singular. Hence proved. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel Math with Meenakshi for more smart learning videos. See you all with another case study question tomorrow.